Yo, what's going on guys, this is the Ecom boss, and in today's video I'm gonna go over the top 5 products that you can sell in July. So this is basically just gonna be one of the other Ecom videos where we show you guys a couple of products. I got them all here on the computer, so I'll take you guys inside the computer, show you guys which product you're gonna run for July. It's gonna be super cool. I picked out 5 products, a couple in the tool niche, also got some in the kitchen, and I got 2 more in other niches. I don't really remember, we'll see when we get into the computer. These products, if you actually listen up to what I'm trying to tell you guys now, these products can definitely sell, and they can sell like crazy. So make sure pay attention, make sure you sort of like choose which product you want to run. You can watch until the end. So the YouTube channel is growing, so a lot of people is going to see this video. If you see it, you got to take action quickly, because that obviously gives you the perfect chance of, you know, running the product before everyone else. So without further ado, let's get into the video. Last video's free 30-minute consulting call giveaway winner is JRM57. You can message me, my Instagram will be here. Same goes for all of you guys who want to get into the coaching. You can also message me on Instagram here. Again, it's been a great success so far. So without further ado, let's get into my computer and I'll show you guys the first product. Okay guys, we're inside the computer and this is gonna be the first product. First one is gonna be the portable press keychain type of thing. It's gonna be a tool. So the cool thing about this product is when it comes to like viruses and infections, whatever, you actually now, if you use this product, it's up on the screen now, use this product, it's gonna give you the chance to maybe try to avoid a virus. I mean, you might still catch it, I don't know, I mean, you'll have to try it on your own risk. But this product, obviously, it's meant for people that's kind of scared. If you want to touch the elevator, that's a cool thing, right? So if you live in an apartment, when an elevator goes from like floor 0 to floor 30, you have to click the elevator with your finger. Like, let's just say you go into floor 16, you have to click it with your finger. Cool thing about this one, you can just hold the key with your hand and you just press whatever. Same on your store, whatever you're paying on McDonald's, you use this product, which, you know, allows you to not touch it with your finger. Because you guys know, if you touch it with your finger, then you put your finger in your eye or your ear or nose, whatever, you peel your nose, all of that stuff. If you do that, you might have the chance of catching a virus, catching the flu, I don't know, whatever. So this product is super unique. I have a buddy of mine selling it like crazy right now, and it only costs $0, like 0.96, but it's gonna be shipping, so the product cost in total comes up to $2. So you can actually sell it for 19. I know that might sound a little bit low, but you could sell it for 19 successfully. Well, that will only be a $18 margin, but the thing about that $18 margin is it's so cheap, and even though the margin isn't too big, it's so cheap that you actually have the chance of, like, most of your customers will be able to afford this product. If it only costs 19 to 20, you could sell it for like 21.92. But if it's cheap, most people will actually convert. It's going to give you a higher conversion rate just because it's cheap, which means I'll probably sell it for 19.90. If it pops off, you could put it to 21.90, you could put it to 24.90. You guys know the drill. So that's going to be the first product. It only has 1,000 orders too, so it's not super saturated yet. I would probably recommend you guys to jump on it. I mean, I was considering it myself. So the next product, I think it's kind of boring, but I think it has a super unique concept, and it only costs you guys $4. That's the cool thing. This product is a pineapple peeler, and when people are in my coaching, they add peelers to the product document. I always say no to peelers, but this one is really unique because you make holes inside a pineapple, which makes this product like kind of super unique. The only thing I was a little bit concerned about on this product was the profit margin. Will it be profitable? Because let's just say you guys buy this product $4 including shipping, you sell it for $21.90. That's like probably the most out of margin you guys can get. You could probably consider getting it up to $24.90, but I don't think it's gonna sell for more than $24 to $27.90. But still, I think that's a pretty okay margin. If you brand it well, you could always increase it. But definitely a cool kitchen product, and I don't really look too much in kitchen, but I like this product a lot, and I probably recommend running it. The next one, guys, this one is a little saturated, but it can sell. The reason this product can sell, these are sunglasses. They're green, blue, red, and another color, black, I think. These sunglasses are like super unique, honestly. They just have a different layout, they just have a different look. They only cost $12 including shipping, it looks like, which means you guys could sell these sunglasses for $39.90, and I still think they will sell because they look super high quality. It's like wooden thing around your ears, everything, and it's green, blue, like it just looks super fancy. It's innovative, it's something new. I've never seen something like this before. I think it's super unique, so you could actually start a branded one product store or branded niche store on this product, and I think it could definitely pop off. Yes, it's saturated, but the thing is with this saturation is that if it was saturated in, let's just say, construction as a niche or kitchen as a niche, you would have to target kitchen interest or construction interest. But this is an overall product. It could fit anyone. There is no specific audience to this product, which means, yeah, it might be saturated, but the whole world could take use of it, which means you could use, if TikTok is saturated, you could use Justin Bieber and make sales with it. Like, every interest is actually, you could use every interest on this product, which make, you know, the saturation a little bit easier to deal with. I wouldn't be worried at all on the saturation when you could use whatever interest you want to use. So this is that product. This is the product. I think it's super cool, and now we're gonna move on to the next product. This is the next product, and this product, I have 2 people inside my coaching program killing it with it. A couple of them making like 2K to 5K a day with this product. Believe it or not, this product has a high margin. Not a joke. I have a guy who's killing it with this product. He's doing super good, utilizing like social media platforms as an interest. For example, YouTube, he's not, you know, stuff like that. This product is super unique. So first of all, before you all guys say, Henrik, this thing is a kid product. Yeah, I don't like the kid niche. The kid niche is the worst niche. Same with dog niche. It's pretty bad. And you guys can say, yeah, you can find winners there. Yeah, of course, but your chances will be lower. It's just all the same over again. But this product, it's super unique. It stands out, and it's actually a little bit old. So this is not too much of an innovative product from my side, but this, I don't care if it's innovative or not. I'm trying to show you guys what works, what's proven to work for me, and still not super saturated. This is the product. Super cool, but you're not gonna market it towards kids. I might say kids here. That means everyone else everyone else running it probably markets it to kids. I'll just market it to a teenager that loves to draw. I mean, my girlfriend, she's 18 years old. She still loves drawing. She do it every day. She would like this product. So you don't necessarily have to target kids for this product. Target whatever. Maybe like target like viral platforms. I definitely think like TikTok could be a super good interest for this product. And it's pretty cool because you paint and you can see the reflection. I'm not a painter, but you guys can see what it does on the picture. Super cool product, and the shipping is only $3. Approximately the total cost will be $8.50. We're just saying $8. So you could sell this product for $24.90, $27.90, $29.90, or $32.90. I'll probably start a little low. If it works, you start generating some sales, you just increase the price. Okay guys, so here is the next product, and this product, it's super unique. To be honest, I sold this product a year ago, and what I can see guys, it's still not saturated. Well, however, the supplier that I bought it from is actually removed himself from AliExpress. I don't know what he's doing, but the product is now gone with that specific supplier. But we got new suppliers, and this product, like I said, used it a year ago. It did pretty successful with the interest lawn mowing, and a couple of more interests like garden, for example. So this is the product you can run. There it is on the screen. It is the Lawnmower blade sharpener, and this product is super unique because think of it like this: you're cutting your grass, and it takes a lot of time, but it's never getting perfect because you might have a little bit of an old one. So this thing is just super small, but if you get a picture of the lawnmower as well, it's going to catch more attention than just a picture of the product itself. So definitely get in the lawnmower. But this product, it sharpens up your lawnmower, which is honestly super unique. That's what makes this product so cool. So I would probably recommend selling this one, especially now summer is coming up, everyone is cutting their lawns. It's just a super unique product because it makes it so much easier to cut your lawn. It's going to look cleaner and everything when you've done it like that. So the total cost will be $4 including shipping, and it only has 255 orders, but the ratings are 4.7 out of 5. I think that's super good for a rating. So guys, this is a good product. You just go down, oh, it's not in the description, but you guys know what I mean, right? You go and you sell this product. You also go down, you click the subscribe button on this channel, and you make sure you give this video a like. And let's move on to the next product. Next product, this one is super cool. It's for like people that likes to read or whatever. It's up on the screen already. I'm just, excuse me guys, I'm just looking at it myself. So this product is something you put around like a headset or something. You put it around your neck, and then it's lights on it, as you guys can see down in the picture here. It's pretty cool lights on it, which makes it like, you know, when you went to bed, you probably don't want to turn on blue lights and everything, you know, because that wakes you up. You see the lights in the background here? This is definitely not what you want to be using at 2 a.m. because that's not going to help you sleep. So the cool thing about it is you don't have to turn on the lights in your actual room. We all know how it is, maybe, or maybe not all of you guys because you don't read books, but at least I know how it is to use your phone flashlight to try to read a book at night or turn on the lights. It's not good for your sleep. You will not get tired when you turn on the lights like that. So this product, honestly, it's super cool because you could use it whatever. Like you could use it in the forest if you like. This one says barbecue too. I don't think anyone would use it for barbecuing late at night, but walking the dog and stuff. But reading, I would probably market this as a reading product, not a barbecue product. But the cool thing though, you buy it for $4, and you could definitely sell it for like $21.90, $24.90 maybe as well. I just found the product to be pretty cool. I think it can sell. It's kind of boring, but I really think this one could sell. Anyways guys, that's gonna be it for today's video. Hope you guys found this video helpful. You guys, be for real guys, hurry up, get down, drop a like on this video. If you have not subscribed already, go down, smash the subscribe button. That would mean the world to me. Go on this products early guys, because everyone is gonna try them. So just get on these products before everyone else, and you might actually have a chance of doing good with it. Like I said, a couple of people in the coaching killing with some of these products. Some of these products are my calls. I will test them myself, but I don't have time to test more products right now. So I recommend you guys to test these products, and make sure you guys subscribe, and you'll be seeing me in tomorrow's video. Peace.